Here we have a VW California 140 brake. It's got an exceptional service history. It's high mileage, it's done 114,000 miles. I drove it back from up north and it was I did about 100 odd mile in it. Drove really well. There was no smoking, no smoke on startup. It drives well. It's had a new clutch fitted at 88,000 miles, I think it is, not long ago. We've just done a new cambelt kit and water pump, Volkswagen supplied, so it's all genuine, just all fully serviced again. Also had an original, the original cambelt kit was changed at 72,000, which is the paperwork for. The roof was replaced earlier this year. It cost about £2,500. Let's have a look. It's the latest style roof, and it's all good. There's no rips, no snagging. And normally these roofs get caught here in the scissor action. Obviously it's an electric roof, so that's all good. The car itself is very tidy. We've also got the benefit of the roof bars and the roof rails. The chairs fold away into the tailgate and that table goes into the sliding door. It's all got soft close. I'll show you inside. As you can see, the roof's in perfect condition, as is the rest of the car, to be fair. Right, let's open up. The ovens, well, the gas hob's very good. Bowl and plug. That's just a bit of dust. Fridge. Some additional storage. Normally these get all mouldy and mildewy after a time, but it hasn't. It's been cared for. In the wardrobe, it's all nice. You can buy additional shelves if you prefer shelves on those. Additional storage in there. The rock and roll bed's all very good. Let's open the drawer. That's the Volkswagen cambelt kit that we've changed. We keep the old bits in the box, obviously verified. We've got the receipts as well. That's the curtains for the internal magnetised curtains that go on these. The rest of the windows got pull down blinds. You've got the fly blinds in there and some pegs and bits and bobs. There is a power lead for it as well, a plug-in 240 lead, which we'll supply with the vehicle. Seats are all good order. It's got some lugs there. That's the passenger and the drivers, which that would be the wear side had it been rotated. I have got pictures with it all rotated the other way, and I'll also do pictures with the bed down and set up. So that's that. I'll try and show you that. Try and show you down the body if I can. Right. Got detachable tow bar. There's a key and other stuff that's in the glove box for it. As you can see, the bodywork's in very good order. It's got front and rear parking sensors, fog lights, electric folding mirrors. Could also be a price range California because of the miles. This V240 hookup goes. That's where your fold away chairs go. Even this isn't all scratched up and battered like they normally get. I'll do pictures with the bed down after. That's where the tow bar, if you do decide to take it off, you can stow away it in there. Soft close. Okay, thank you for looking.